How's everyone? Ashol here from Pro Properties today in Rooihuiskraal, bringing you a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse in a secure complex. Let's go check it out. Entering the unit from the back door, you are greeted by this open area over here, which can very easily be used for a small dining room set right next to the kitchen. Space for your major appliances inside the kitchen with an under counter, a gas hob and extractor fan. The lounge is a decent size. There's a serving hatch through to the kitchen over there. Having a look at the first bedroom. Decent sized bedroom with laminated floors and built-in cupboards. And across the hall to the shared bathroom with shower, basin and toilet. On to the main bedroom. Main bedroom, nice and spacious, laminated wood flooring, a walk-in wardrobe, and an ensuite bathroom. Ample cupboard space there, double basin, toilet and bath. Let's go have a look at the outside. On the outside here, you have nice lapa for those kuiers. Nice bit of yard space, pet friendly. Let's go have a look at the garage. The unit comes with a single garage and carport. In the complex there is a pool with a communal braai area for the residents. This is one of 2 play areas for the kids, and there's also a very nice walkway in the complex, so you can keep fit without even leaving the complex. If you're interested in this property, reach out to me. Let's get you into that viewing appointment. Also, if you're interested in selling your property, you can reach out to me and we can start you off with a free CMA.